Good day, everyone. Learn how to download and install Streamlabs in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So open your browser and type Streamlabs in the Google, and you will find streamlabs.com. Start streaming for free, the easiest way to go live. So we will click on that, and then you will find live streaming software for everyone. Streamlabs desktop has everything you need to stream and create a memorable brand. So free Windows 10 Plus means it will work on Windows 11 as well. I'll click on download Streamlabs, and I'll click on download again, and very soon the file will be downloaded. It's getting faster, like 40 seconds. Almost done. 30 seconds. Once it is downloaded, I'll click on download and I'll click on open, and it will show up Streamlabs desktop setup. I'll click on I agree. You don't have to make any changes in the destination folder. Just click on install. If you want to install it to a different location, you can do that. I just did. So Streamlabs desktop setup is almost done, and it should not take more than 5 minutes with the complete process. Download and install Streamlabs. So it is also updating at the same time, getting the patches, and it is also setting up Microsoft Visual C++, redistributable, some required version. It is processing. That's a good part. Almost done. So if you see Microsoft Visual C++ along with this, don't make any changes. Just keep on installing. Almost done. Additional runtime, processing, and now we have this run Streamlab desktop. I'll click on finish, and very soon we will have a screen in our desktop. So this is how you can download and install Streamlabs in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So it's getting, you can add, edit stringer transition. So it is getting set up now. Almost done. Welcome to Streamlabs. So you want to do the recording or live streaming, you can try that, and do let me know in the comment section whether you are able to install Streamlabs successfully or not. If yes, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.